Welcome to Feminine Mysteries. My name is Catalina Rivera Dois, and in today's video, we'll be exploring perimenopause and queen menstrual rites. As you settle in, please share where you're tuning in from in the comments below. I always love to hear from you. And if the content resonates, please consider liking and subscribing. This is absolutely free. It supports the channel and my work of bringing ancient new womb wisdom back onto the planet once again. So let's dive in. Perimenopause and the queen's menstrual rites. So during perimenopause, during our queen years, we are in our final years, our completion years with both menstruation itself and our menstrual cycle. Many women come to realize at this stage that something has been missing and that this is their last chance in this life to heal, sanctify, and reclaim the power of their blood and their womb and their cycle and feminine design in this very real, embodied, and tangible way. And for any postmenopausal or wise women that are watching, please know that you have your own journey and access point into the blood mysteries. That we will eventually get to through this video series, but there is a very natural grief that happens within us when we haven't had a chance to honor our menstruation or claim her gifts, right? And the queen year provides us a powerful access point to this, a powerful moment to realize this opportunity and take action before our chance is gone in this way, in this form, in this life. Okay. So in our queen season, one of the things that happens is that every cycle, every moon time, be it that you only have one more period in your future, or you have many years still of moon times to look forward to, each becomes sacred and potentized in its magic and healing and wisdom potential as we see her completion approaching. And as we mentioned in our previous video, as we are being held deep within the mystery because of the transformation we're in. So, women who enter into the blood mysteries in this season find that their soul and body naturally begins to condense the most important parts of a lifetime curriculum of menstrual wisdom into whatever period of time they have left. And simultaneously, as they're making up for lost time, right, their moon blood is also coming in to support, heal, and awaken their wisdom, preparing for wise women years, right? And there's an allowing, right? As we step into the blood mysteries and allowing the frequency of the Red River to actually carry us through the natural initiations of the queen years in a way that feels deeply supported, connected, guided, and held. And who doesn't want that when they're undergoing a deep transformation, right? So this is a time where we naturally awaken to our authentic power. This is why it's called the queen years, right? We are naturally awakening to our sovereignty, to our rediscovering our essence, awakening to our vision, our place in the web of life. And our moon blood carries the codes for all of this. When activated, our womb blood catalyzes and unfolds us while simultaneously connecting us to a deep sense of being held in safety and unconditional love. We are not meant to do this metamorphosis alone. And though the wisdom and resources are all within, they must be awakened. You must know how to connect with them. And this awakening and connection may be done through challenges and pain and repetition, or it can be done through loving initiations and surrendering to a tangible wisdom and love that carries and unfolds us. transformation is never easy, but it can be beautiful, supported, miraculous, and empowering. And the blood mysteries, with the awakening of the power and wisdom of our womb and our blood and our menstrual rites, brings us into the second kind of transformation, along with so many other gifts that I will not be speaking about in this video, but you can catch in other video series. So, beloved sister, if you are a queen, or in any other season of your life, are you ready to remember and reclaim your blood mysteries? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear. In our next video, we'll be exploring navigating perimenopause and modern day both gifts and traps of this stage. And as we complete for today, please remember to press like, subscribe, and share with a friend if you have enjoyed this content, and consider learning more with me and our temple and lineage through the free offerings and paid offerings in the description below. Thank you for being a part of this remembrance of our feminine mysteries. I hope that what you have received today has been nourishing and illuminating and catalyzing your own womb wisdom. You already hold everything you need within you, and it is together that we remember. So many blessings, happy moon times until we meet again. Bye.